Here we are at box 14, and we have quite an assortment of things this time, including lots of greeting cards. This is one from Denmark, I think. I'll just do a quick run through to give you an idea of the cards we've got here. Aw, Marilyn loved little mousy things. This looks like a Karen Riley to me. This one could also be Karen Riley from American Greetings. That's, of course, Mary Engelbright. Little Holly Hobby. Oh, strawberry shortcake. Oh, how does this work? Oh, you run the little feet around. The baby in her bed. The Little Women greeting card. I didn't know there was such a thing. They're stand-up dolls. I don't think they have clothes, though. I didn't know about that. Oh, look, and this is a real thick doll with clothes from different countries. What's that? Oh, cute. Oh, that's cute. Oh, old Disney mouse. I am just gonna, I won't open up every one of these. I know that cards are not supposed to be stored like this because the adhesive can stick onto the card, but this is how they were. This is the same one we saw a minute ago. This is how they were when they came out of the box. Oh, little doll inside. This is probably just a cute, cute mouse card. Puppets, cute. Marilyn had an awful lot of greeting cards. These are all reproductions. We did a piece showing these quite a while ago. It would have been nice to have these for that article in the magazine. But this is what happens. Aww, that's adorable. Raggedy Ann and Andy. I've seen this one a lot. So, little bunny. Does this have clothes? Oh, I see. Oh, that's wonderful. Does this go inside? I guess so. Wow, this is quite a card. Well, I guess I am going through all these cards, aren't I? This is just a little coloring book that got stuck in the middle of the cards. Oh, someone wrote a little note. Yeah, I'm not sure how I will list these. I don't know that I can go through listing one at a time. We'll have to see. I'm going to guess in groupings. Or maybe someone will see this and holler and say, I want the whole lot. So that could very well happen. It has happened in the past with greeting card bundles that I've unearthed from Marilyn's collection. Oh, here's that bunny. I have seen this so many times, the same bunny. Little teddy. We've come across these teddies also. There's the little girl with clothes from different lands. Come out, Halloween. Aww. That's cute. Her little pumpkin suit. Oh, somebody sent a cute little tiny note to Marilyn. Oh, how sweet. Okay, now we get into just random things. Here's a random doll from one of the little women's sets. This looks like Hilda Miloche. Nice, those thick. This one, a lot of times they would call them wood dolls, but this one really is wood. Heck wood, they say. So anyway, dolls and clothes. Looks like some pages are cut and some are uncut. I don't know if anybody today captures the style of Hilda Miloche. It's really wonderful. So that's fun, called The Gang. Box set. And let's see, what have we got here? So move these cards out of the way. "1963 Mouseketeers." Super. Let's see if I can give you a little bit more of a window here. These are nice clothes. A lot of Blondie sets were done. This one's beautiful. 1947, I think that says. Certainly 40s clothes. That's nice. I haven't seen this Blondie book. Color copy stuck in there. Nice Merrill book. I think Marilyn put this image on one of the covers of one of the magazines a long time ago. The art's by Corinne Bailey. So this is just an activity book here. Surprising to see things in color. What's going on here? There's some aging on this book. $1941, Little Red Riding Hood. Just the storybook. Looks like no paper dolls. Lovely art. Aww. Outdoor paper dolls. This 1941 from Southfield. This is a weird size and it's all really lightweight paper. So this was economizing here. This is some partially cut, partially put together set. I'm not going to get into that. Here's one. I think that Shackman republished this, but this is the original book. This was done in 1937, I think. I'm having a hard time seeing the Roman numerals down there. Lovely, lovely book. I have not seen this, the original. This is the first time. Really nice art. I'll just give you some little overview here. Okay. Virginia Wheeler. Coloring book. She has a paper doll book around somewhere. I think we probably sold it. This one is a fabulous, fabulous book. I think I have one of these in my own collection, but this one is in much better condition. It's got a tiny bend right here. And I think this is just spectacular. Paper doll rooms to set up, furniture, props, story, paper dolls, clothes. Deco. This is a nice book. Okay, this is Smart Paper Dolls. This may not be in good condition here. Let's see. I think it's falling apart a little bit. Oh, two of them. Same artist. Oh, I guess they are all right. It was just two different books in the paper, in the Ziploc bag, the plastic bag. Oh, this one's crumbly. Oh, let's put her back. I'm not going to get into that one. Okay, and there are a number of cut sets here. It's a cute wood doll. And oh, I have this one myself. I think it's paper dolls and a storybook, yes. There's another Blondie. I love the layout of these Blondie books. There's a lot of energy in the pages, I think. They just look fun. That's a cute one. Babies. Oh. We get a lot of requests for more baby paper doll books. Let's see what we have here. By the Baileys. I haven't seen this book. It's wonderful. That's a nice condition. A party of paper dolls. Oh, the book is falling apart. Maybe that's why it's all bundled in here. Oh, it's a cut set. Well, it looks fun. The dolls are cut. Some of the clothes are cut. Oh, for Pete's sake, this is actually stuck right to the front. It's supposed to be that way. I have not seen this. I like the little fish on her bathing suit. I haven't seen this. Her clothes are great. Clothes for January and February, March, April, calendar clothes. I'm going to be doing an article on calendar clothes. I'm going to have to set this aside for that article. Well, isn't that neat? Okay, setting that aside. Here's a little greeting card booklet that's stuck in the middle of things. Trudy in the Teens. Look how little this book is. It's maybe only, I don't know, 9 inches high. It's a little book. Isn't that cute? Pollyanna, that is. Just looks like a few clothes. Here's another, looks like cut set or partly cut set. Benny Goodman. Oh, here's more Blondie. Seems so cute. This appears to be cut inside. Let's see, I gotta move these out of the way. Yeah, cuts up there. And this is Career Girls, all cut out, ready to play with. Fantastic. And what else do we have here? Little Red Riding Hood vintage book. Ooh, what's this? Dress Dolly. Printed in England. This looks very nice. A stand-up doll. The clothes are on light cardstock. Cut set of Carolyn Lee by Queen Holden. And here is baby Nancy, maybe? Yep, baby Nancy. All cut out. This would be fun to just start playing with because there's so many great parts for the nursery. Pink Weddings. This is in excellent condition. Yeah, this is in mint condition. It's the 1952. This is a Merrell from 52 also. Look at the funny faces you put inside her coat. That doesn't make sense, does it? I guess so. For Dot. So that's Dot. Yep, they all have little different faces. Oh my gosh, that's amazing. Okay, Soldiers and Sailors House Party. I'm wondering if this is a color copy of the book, which is really nice. So I'm gonna move that aside. Patsy, I haven't seen this. Tape out of the way so it doesn't stick to the book itself. Oh, looks like it's cut. Nice artwork. Donnie Double, a front and back doll, and that has been cut out. This is pretty. Stand-ups of Mother Goose. This is great. I haven't seen this. A lot of paper doll collectors do like books that are paper toys or paper stand-ups. I don't know if this has a paper doll in it. I'm not going to go through the trouble of opening it. This is another one I have in my own collection. These are front and back dolls, and they really are front and back. A lot of times the book will have clothes that are front and back, but the dolls are not front and back. So this time, the clothes and the dolls are front and back. There's the nurse for the children. This is the same. I don't know if I can get it out of here. It's this is the same artwork as the Golden Girls, but it's called Gay and Gale. The Golden Girls, she's wearing a gold bathing suit. But I think this is a limited number of pages. I think this has fewer pages. Here is, look, who knows what that $100 goes to. I don't know if it was for this book or something else, hard to say. This is in terrific condition. Francis Tipton Hunter's paper dolls. I sold one of these early on, and now here's another copy of it. It's in excellent condition. Oh, the spine is coming loose though. Otherwise, it's fantastic. Here's one printed in Mexico, maybe? A cute storybook. There's a lot of stuff in this box. This was a big box. This is another one of the Merrill books that are a little bit smaller and narrower. I mean, just a smaller reprint, I would think, of other books that were done. This is pretty. I haven't seen this. Our World, China. We'll have to see if Quaylin already has this. She's one of our contributors. If not, she will probably want this book. Oh, I have not seen this from the Dionne Quints. And it's really, I don't want to, it's very tightly tucked into this plastic, so I'll be careful getting it out. Yeah, I haven't seen this. Look at that great car to put her in. Oh my goodness. Well, there are some treasures for sure in this box of stuff. Quite a mix of things. Wow, look at the rendering on that to show a see-through raincoat. This is another one with really thick dolls. Clothes pages are super. We've had this before, but this is a reproduction from Southfield on lighter paper than we had before. And fewer pages. Small sheet. Okay, here is the actual Soldiers and Sailors House Party. Wow, this is really nice. It's in fantastic condition. That's a nice one. Get this out of the way. Okay, a couple of sheets of paper doll wrapping paper. And then this is our last stack here to go through. I think that's pretty sealed up in there. I love this baby buggy for Prince William. This is a really nice Merrill book. Oh, here we are, more of these Quints, this series. 1936 from Whitman. I'm just not familiar with this particular set, and I don't know who the artist is. Of course, Queen Holden did a beautiful set of the Quintuplets. And they all drive little cars, apparently. Oh, by Avis Mack. Well, it says right there on the cover. Duh. I think she did the art for the Jane Withers book, paper doll book around that time. Oh, I like that bunny. Oh, golfing. Oh my goodness. Okay, Raggedy Ann and Andy. Wonderful. With Marcella. Did we already look at one of these? A Party of 6 paper dolls? Here's another one of the Quints. Aww. That's fun. Birth date. Also seems to be in quite nice condition. Oh, sorry. Bumping the light. A very nice copy of Hostess and Pilot. The colors are excellent. The paper has stayed really true. I don't really see yellowing on the pages. From 1962. This one, let's see if I'm going to have any trouble getting it out of here. That tape. Another Blondie. I do love these clothes. Mother Goose Paper Doll and Storybook. Where's the paper doll? Is it up front? Does it say paper doll? Another Judy and Jim Paper Doll Storybook. Oh, you know what? It's been punched out. This page is missing. Here's the book again. And the pages have also been punched out. So here's the storybook without the paper dolls. A few punch outs here. Oh, look, wait a second. Here are the dolls. This is quite a bundle of Judy and Jim things. And here are more of the clothes. It looks like Marilyn tacked them to paper. This is lots and lots of the same book. Let's see if this one's complete. Nope. All punched out. So she has all these together. And that's the last thing from this box.